Happy Friday, traders. This is Trader A. I just wanted to come and share this opening range trade with you. This is a Bob Anderson trade, at least the way that he shows how to do this trade. Now, this one is on crude oil. So basically what it is you are isolating the range between the open of the market and and the first 15 minutes of that. And so this is crude oil. The crude oil market opens at 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So as you can see, I've started my box and I'm just boxing in from the low of the first 8 o'clock candle, and I'm just trying to follow that shadow box and contain up to the high of the candles, and I'm doing that all the way to 8:15. And then at 8:15, then I'll either take a tick below or a tick above that box, whichever way those candles come out. So that's pretty much how the trade goes. That's the gist of the trade. So what you're watching right now is pretty much just waiting for the box to fill, just kind of waiting, because you don't take this trade until 8:15. I'm sorry, 9:15. I'm in Central Standard Time, so just note that all my times that you will see at the bottom of the screen are in Central Standard Time. So for me, my box is going from 8 o'clock to 8:15. So if you're in Eastern Standard Time, that's 9 o'clock to 9:15. All right. So pretty much just waiting on that. That's the great thing about this trade is that you just wait. I love trades where you don't have to sit and watch. I don't like sitting and watching the market. I like to set it and forget it. I'm very busy, so it's great when I can just look over, see a setup, and go back to doing something else with my other work. So this trade is great because there's nothing more you can do. You box it, you make sure you have the high and the low, and that's pretty much what I'm doing there. You can see just, and I kind of drag it on out to 8:45 so I won't forget, like, okay, this is where you're going to. You gotta wait till 8:45. So that's what I am doing. Okay, so while that's doing that, I'll just mention to you all, I just want to thank everybody who's been in the Discord. We had day 2 today. So I think we've been having a really good time. I think it's been a productive time. People can just come in and out as they please. And we're on our own little trading floor where we can share our ideas. And we just have some really great traders. First of all, some really great people in there. So I just want to shout out to all of you all. Thank all of you all who have been in there, in and out as you can, because I know that it has just been tremendous for me having all of the input that we've had in there. It's just been great. I feel like it's just really ramping up my status as a trader, just having community with these other traders. So most of the people in there, I think we found each other through Bob and his methods, but whatever methods you have, that's fine. Everybody is welcome. Everybody has their own spin on how they do things. Nobody does things exactly alike, and that's great. We can just learn from each other. We can alert each other regarding news, or if we see setups, or just reminding each other of what the rules are, or cautioning each other. So all of those things are very much welcome. Okay, let's see where we are on the trade. So it looks like we've gotten to 8:15 or close to it. So I'm about to put my sell stop because it looks like it's heading downward. So I'm putting my sell stop limit order in, anticipating that it's going to come. And as you can see, it has to get all the way down And look, I have my box a little bit too big. Let's see if I'm going to move it there. But anyway, I see where that tail is. I see the tail. Okay, there I am. I'm moving my box up to meet that tail. And here we go. I got to get the order. Okay, so here we are again. I am in the trade. Looks like the entry is pretty good. Okay, I get stopped out at break even, it looks like. And I go ahead and set the order again. That's just the conviction that I have about the trade at the time. I do feel like there is going to be follow through, even though I was stopped out the first time at break even. So I just went ahead and got back in. I moved my stop to break even again once the trade started to flow. And my ATM is set to 20 ticks. So I just moved my target down using my risk reward so I could see how to measure it. I brought my risk reward down to 40 ticks so that I could see where 40 ticks was. So I was following that bar by bar. I'm just following it because I don't want to lose all that profit. So I'm a bit more aggressive than what I should be in following it. But I don't want to lose a profit on this trade. So here we go. All right, so I did get 40 ticks. All right, that was a great trade. So again, I just want to thank everybody who's been in the Discord. Of course, we are going to do some great things. Hopefully we can meet up live real soon so that we can talk to each other and maybe go over some trades, share some screens, share some charts. So those are just some things to come. But anyway, just thanks to everybody who is contributing and being there to help each other, help our fellow traders. Thank y'all and have a wonderful weekend.